Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix DayZ BattleEye client not responding. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to find DayZ on Steam, right click on it, properties, install files, browse. Then you need to look for BattleEye, press on it, then you should see uninstall BattleEye.bat. Select this, and then press yes. Press yes again, and then you should get this BattleEye service has been installed. Then what you need to do here, you should see BattleEye, install BattleEye.bat. Click on it, press yes, wait for a couple of seconds, and then your BattleEye should be installed. After you do so, you can close this. Then you need to go back to DayZ and then press verify integrity of the game files, wait until it's done, and then launch the game, and your issue should be definitely solved. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like.